Our top story today from the gatewaypundit.com. Breaking news headlines as a judge just dismissed the manslaughter charges in the Daniel Penny trial after a jury deadlock. We're covering this story and so much more here on the Gateway Pundit's Week in Review. My name is Elijah Schaefer, and this is the Week in Review. We come today with a special report of breaking news. NBC is reporting that judge dismissed the manslaughter charge in the Daniel Penny trial after a jury deadlock. The anonymous jury will still consider the lesser charge of criminal negligent homicide. Check this out, as the jury has been put in a deadlock. So when we're talking about the seriousness of this, here's what they had to say.
Penny, where the jury appears to be deadlocked. You'll remember Penny's a former Marine who put a man named Jordan Neely into a deadly chokehold on a New York City subway train last year. Penny has pleaded not guilty to second-degree manslaughter and criminally negligent homicide. The jury just told the judge that they cannot reach a unanimous verdict on the manslaughter charge. Let's get right to NBC News correspondent Rahema Ellis. She's outside the courthouse in Lower Manhattan. Also with us, NBC News legal analyst Angela Senadella back with us. Rahema, what's happening right now? They told the judge they can't come to an agreement. Now what?
Well, they've taken a break, Kate, and what the judge has asked the attorneys to do is take a look at some case law to determine whether or not they can put aside the first count against Daniel Penny, and that is the count on manslaughter in the second degree. The prosecution is not in favor of doing that. The defense, on the other hand, says, once again, the judge should call for a...
Well, it turns out that they actually did end up doing that. They ended up directly taking away that charge. Now, that being said, that the judge in the case directly here, the judge in the trial of Daniel Penny, the man accused of manslaughter in the chokehold death of Jordan Neely last year on a New York City subway, dismissed a manslaughter charge against Penny on Friday after jurors said that they were deadlocked. The decision, which came on the request of prosecutors, means jurors will consider only the lesser charge of criminally negligent homicide, carries a maximum sentence of up to 4 years. Jurors were not told the prosecutors made the request. Penny has pleaded guilty, which is absolutely crazy. The jurors, 7 women and 5 men, will resume deliberations on Monday. They twice sent a note to the judge on Friday saying that they could not come to a unanimous decision to the top charges of manslaughter. After the first note, Judge Maxwell Wiley ordered them to continue deliberating. Before they began deliberations, Wiley told the jury that it must come to a unanimous decision on the manslaughter charge before it would be allowed to consider the lesser charge of criminally negligent homicide. Once again, this case is very controversial, and I apologize today as I'm very sick. And I just wanted to give this breaking news story to you guys. I'm unable to do the normal video I'd like to do, but I still want to bring you the news here at thegatewaypundit.com. Like I always said, stay tuned to my reports. They come out every day. Here, I'm Elijah Schaefer. Have a great rest of the week, and may God bless the United States of America. I'm signing out.